On the Hamilton County US 27 reconstruction project, we've saved the biggest for last. On August 4, 2014, TDOT Contract Crews set the last 4 bridge beams on the project, and at an astonishing 113,000 pounds each, they also happened to be the largest beams to be used on the entire project. The beams were set on the new ramp from US 27 north to Dayton Boulevard, and each one was so massive that a specialized crane was needed to do the heavy lifting. The crane itself was very impressive. It was so complex that it took many workers several hours to set up. Once the big crane was successfully assembled and running, the beams were trucked onto the job site one at a time. There, workers carefully hooked up each beam so the skillful crane operator could lift and place each beam onto the bridge. Ken Flynn, Region 2 Director of Operations, explained the process as it happened.
On the lifting straps to lift the beam with, and they're really big and really heavy. And they're struggling with the hasp to put it on there to hook it to the beam. Once they do that, they'll put a little tension on the beam, and they'll release it from the truck. And then once it's released from the truck, then they'll probably pull the truck out from under it as soon as they can and lift it up and start swinging.
As each beam was lifted into place, crews worked extremely hard on both ends of the beam to make sure it was set in exactly the perfect location. A job well done. All 4 bridge beams are precisely where they're supposed to be. In just a short time, one of the last phases of this complex project has been successfully completed. Now begins the long, detailed process of dismantling the crane. In a few hours, traffic will once again be flowing on Dayton Boulevard beneath what will soon be a wider and safer ramp, and drivers will have some brand new bridge beams overhead to admire. This is just another step in the journey as the US 27 reconstruction project advances toward completion. For the Tennessee Department of Transportation, I'm Jennifer Flynn.